Good morning, everyone. My name is Lohit Ramesh, and today I will be explaining about my project at Parley company, which is prompt engineering for lender and applicant side. Before I dive deep into the project, let's begin by understanding the general loan origination system used in the loan application. Traditional lending system, especially for small businesses, face major challenges. They are often slow, expensive, and inefficient. Manual approval add unnecessary delays, making it hard for businesses, especially those seeking loans under $1 million to access financing. This is where Parley Finance is innovating by integrating the AI into the lending process. Instead of relying solely on LOS, we are introducing the Loan Intelligence System. LIS enhances loan assessments by leveraging the real-time financial data and advanced AI models, reducing manual efforts by 80% and increasing approval rates significantly. So what exactly are we replacing in LOS using the LIS? LIS automates loan eligibility assessments and lender applicant matching, making the process more efficient. It integrates external data sources like Mastercard, Vertical IQ, and Loomis, ensuring a more comprehensive risk assessment. AI-driven automation not only speeds up decision making, but also minimizes bias in approval. While With AI-driven lending, both applicants and lenders benefit. Applicants receive faster loan decision, reducing uncertainty by providing intuitive and guided process insights into eligibility requirements, while lenders get structured AI summarized reports, improving risk assessment and increased pipeline of eligibility applicants with low customer compliance. Now that we understand the foundation of LIS and its advantages, let's move to the system design behind this innovation. We can have a look at our screen that our data collection process is built on two primary sources. The first is the loan application data, where this comes directly from the applicant when they fill out their loan application. This includes details like personal and business finances, requested loan amount, and purpose. The second data which we collect is from third-party financial data. We integrate with external data providers such as Mastercard, Vertical IQ, and Loomis via the API to gather additional financial insights related to the applicant. This helps create a more complete risk profile beyond just self-reported data. Once collected these data, we store securely using a combination of Amazon S3 for structured unstructured data and PostgreSQL SQL for structured relational data. From here, the data moves to the machine learning models, where we assess the loan eligibility by determining whether the applicant qualifies based on financial indicators. And second is the lender fit, m- matching applicants to lenders whose credit criteria align with the financial standing. Next step is crucial. The machine learning model output, the raw data, and our engineered prompts are passed to the Amazon Bedrock, where we use Anthropic's Claude Sonnet version 3.5 model to generate AI-driven summaries for two different audiences. The first audience would be the lender summary, a structured, easy to read profile that helps lenders make informed decisions quickly by highlighting key financial indicators and risk factors. Second would be the applicant summary, a personalized feedback report that explains their loan eligibility, helping them understand what worked, what didn't, and how they can improve their chances in the future. By leveraging AI, we are enhancing transparency, efficiency, and accessibility in the loan application process, making it easier for both lenders and applicants to navigate small business financing. To achieve this, our team has built a loan summarization pipeline that extracts structured financial data from external sources, uses machine learning model to assess risk factors, generates concise loan summaries that aid decision making. An important part of our work involves iterative testing, where we refine the prompts to minimize bias and enhance clarity. Now let's move to an in-depth analysis of how prompt engineering plays a role in the system. So what exactly is prompt engineering? A prompt is simply a text string that we provide to an AI model to get useful response. Prompt engineering is a process of designing efficient prompts to improve the quality of the AI generated output. Now let's have a look at an example over here. We have a sample hotel review which talks about how a customer was not satisfied with the hotel review. So what we could do, what the prompt could do is, let's keep the same review is given along with an additional sentence which is not completed, which over here says, in short, our stay was. So what happens is the prompt will be able to learn when we say that complete the sentence from the context of the previous sentences and provide the complete sentence. Like you can see below, it says that not a pleasant one. The staff at the front desk were not welcoming or friendly. This is how the prompt learns or understands what we expect it to do for a particular task, and it completes it. This is what prompt engineering does. Now let's explore the two key prompting techniques we used. The first one is called few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting is a technique where we provide a few examples in the prompt to guide the AI model's response. This helps reduce hallucinations in the AI response. It ensures consistency across different loan applications, helps align output with SBA regulations by setting clear expectation for AI-generated summaries. Let's have a look at the example over here. We can see that there are multiple examples with our input provided in the box, which says that in our prompt, along with our prompt, we are also giving the examples and the expected output for it. So the next time when we pass a new example, the prompt knows how exactly to generate the output as we expect. The next one is called chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought prompting is another technique where we encourage AI to enhance its reasoning step by step. This is useful in financial decision making as it helps justify creditworthiness. It provides a logical breakdown of how loan assessments improving transparency. Have a look at the prompt, two prompts you can see over here on the left, the standard prompt, which does not give an explanation of how it got to the specific answer, and it is wrong. But on the right side, when it provides an explanation of how it reached a particular step by providing what actions, it makes it easy for us to understand how it's generating the output, and if it is going wrong, how do we rectify or explain the prompt to do better. Now let's have a look at AWS Bedrock. To deploy our AI-driven solutions efficiently, we utilized AWS Bedrock, specifically the Anthropic Cloud Sonnet v3.5 model. It supports 200K tokens in its content window, allowing detailed and structured loan assessments. The cost efficiency is $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, making it a scalable solution for AI-driven lending. Our approach on improving prompts focuses on three main things: ensuring structured response using well-defined prompts, emphasizing industry and financial risk assessments in the response, and finally, refining prompts iteratively to improve decision-making clarity. Now let's look at the results of our implementation. Through rigorous prompt engineering and AI model optimization, we have achieved improved clarity and structure of the original prompt in the version 1, increase the explainability of the output, provide detailed breakdown and stronger justification on the second version. Now we are waiting on the feedback from the lender to do a final last revision on the lender prompt. Our project is continuously evolving, and we are currently refining structured response, risk assessment methods, and industry-specific insights to further enhance the AI-driven lending experience. As of now, the response is maintaining consistency, clarity with no bias or sensitivity observed. We are not sure of the edge cases as we are working on a limited data availability at the moment, and we will refine them if found any in the future. As mentioned earlier, we have worked on two versions of the prompt and awaiting response from the trusted lenders. The future progress would be to craft applicant side prompt and make revisions on those prompts iteratively till we find the best version. I would like to mention my teammates in this. My teammates include Rohita, Dhruv, Kalp, Meenal, with whom I've really enjoyed working with as they're an amazing teammates. I would like to mention that I'm really enjoying my experience working in the project. It has given me the opportunity to explore a new domain, gaining valuable insights into AI-driven lending and financial technology. The project is open-ended, allowing for a lot of flexibility in ideas, where we are not just implementing predefined solutions, but actively shaping and experimenting with our own approaches. This freedom to explore and innovate makes the work both challenging and rewarding as we develop cutting edge solutions that enhance lending accessibility, efficiency, and transparency. Thank you.